Thank you so much. Hey, Nija. No, this is not my sink. Yes. It's so thick. It's like thick and foamy. Thank you for tapping in with your heart, me. Ain't no way y'all sleep already. Thank you for the gifts. Y'all just enjoying the ASMR. It's quiet. You love commenting me too. This is my favorite though. This is my favorite to squeeze in. I love squeezing in. I like laundry is okay, but it's not my favorite. Really, it's 10:27 for me. But we're almost done here. We have a few more cans, a few more stuff to go in. And what's crazy is I had just checked for the puzzle. Like I literally just checked it. I feel like everything that you do is like, also I feel like you know like when things are intentional, like you have to make sure you do everything like with a purpose, you know? Hey. I know I take a while because I take my time and I mix up stuff. I'm like, let me get back to sleep. I'm like, if it flips. It's okay. We'll check. Hey, Sudsy Sandy. Did you change your name? I feel like I have people that's my super fans and I never see them, like ever. I'm like, where are they? Happy New Year. I'm like, who the heck is that? Okay, well, what was your name before? I'm like, I gotta figure this shit out. Like, thank you. Does this irritate my skin if I do it for a long time? Like if I do it for back-to-back lives repeatedly? But since I haven't, then no. Girl, like I'm gonna have to figure this shit out. It's gonna be like, guess the, yeah, rock suds. Okay. Damn, it's been that long. I know you changed your name after that, but it's been a long time since I've seen you. Damn, last year. Thank you for the gifts. You know, I love having people over. I love like get-togethers, but I definitely do have a what is that called? Like a social limit where my brain is like, all right, get the fuck out of my house. Where have you been? Do y'all have like that? Like, or are y'all like that? Or do you feel like you don't have that social limit? Like you could just hang out like however long, whenever, it don't matter. Like, I just be like, I'm trying to go to bed, and you trying to drink it up, like, more. Depends who you're with. I guess I could say that, like, with Grace, like, who's my best friend, I feel like I don't have that with her. Like, I can hang out with her all day and be good. And of course my husband, duh. But if I don't have like a social gathering, it's like, oof. No. But it's like, damn, like, y'all been here for like a whole work shift. Like, I gotta get the hell on. Cause I'm spread thin, like throughout the time. Like hosting, you know? It's like I'm spread throughout like everybody. To like all these people that's coming. You know, like when you're hosting at your house and you have all these people that's coming and you have to spread yourself thin to like say hi to everyone, chat with everyone, and then after a certain time it's like, okay. I'm like, I'm gonna go to bed. I feel like it also depends who fills up your cup. Have y'all ever heard that expression? Or how does my sister-in-law say it? I don't know, something like that. Everything's sold out. Monica, I'm gonna block you. How the hell? Monica, ooh, I have a question, which I might be soon. It might be soon, but I don't know if you're gonna be able to, but let me know. I'm like, Damn shit. Damn, my wrist hurt. Hey, chaotic mom. Where the hell have you been? Oh my god. There's like a bunch of people, barely. I'm like, I haven't seen y'all. Monica, would you come to my Galentine's event? It's gonna be February 7th. It is girls only. But if you and your man make it a weekend trip out here, then y'all can come and then he can like, I don't know, do something while you come for a little bit. How many cans do I have? I don't know how many is left to go in, but there's not that many left to go in now. February 7th, yeah. If you wanna come, let me know. Just text me. Yeah, it's a Galentine's thing. Like, no man is coming in this damn house. Besides my husband, he lives here, but. Thank you for the heart, me love. You're having one? A Galentine's like at your house? I never did one before. Yeah, you know Main Squeeze is gonna be here. I know we haven't had a regular phone conversation, girl. We haven't catched up. Main Squeeze and I think Kayla. I forgot the last of her thing, her username. But she's a newer TikToker, but she's blowing up like quick. Her lives are so good. Yeah, I want to do a tidy bowl live. I've been seeing everyone do tidy bowl. It's just about it. Is your first one? Kayla done. Yes. Yeah, she's coming too. Cause she only lives like 3 or 4 hours from me. So I'm super excited. I'm excited to meet one of my closest friends that I've been friends with for so long. Like, there's some people like I've been friends with for so long. Tidy bowl. Okay, look, you already know like I don't like tidy bowl. I never have tidy bowl. But hear me out. Hear me out. But everybody's been liking it. It's like a trend right now. It's for the trend. Hey Jamie, I've been seeing you on. I don't know who's live that you mod for. I've been seeing you. I'll be watching. And you know I'll be watching. And you know that I'll be watching. Yeah, tidy bowl and wintergreen. But you can miss me with that alcohol. Not trying to kill me.